Morning, good morning. Good morning. Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग। नहीं वो सुनना सुनते ये अच्छी सी तो तुम एक कान में लगा नहीं तो मैं तो सुनता फिर रात को नहीं क्या होता।
So, are we getting the advantage of the early morning routine? Yes or yes? Right? Since you are here, that means you are getting this particular advantage. How do you basically behave when we try to be a good human being? Now we have discussed about so many different topics, and each topic leads to one other topic, or each topic we would love to go more deep into one particular topic. One topic which actually came to my mind yesterday was, how do we actually behave, in the sense, even when we are having everything in life, we are having the shelter, we are having happiness, if we look at it, we are having food on the table, right? We are having family, we are having friends, we are having money, okay, we are having the pleasure of watching movies, and the list can go on and on and on. But then why are we not happy? What is technically happiness? Now somebody, when I was speaking to someone, he said, यार मेरे पास अगर 1 लाख रुपया मैं कमाता, तो I would be very happy. Okay, fine. So it is that only goal of earning 1 lakh rupee and you will be happy? Okay, chalo. Given 1 lakh rupee on a monthly basis, after 12 months, what? बोलता नहीं यार, मजा नहीं आया. And think about it, from the childhood to our young age, we are just chasing something or the other. But then, even when you are achieving it, somebody became an engineer, somebody became a doctor, somebody became a CA, then what is that? Even after we have achieved a particular level, the happiness is not seen at all. Why is this so? Anybody would love to share? Why is then we are not happy with whatever we have achieved till now? Now, in our group, we have doctor, we have engineers, we have a CA also, right? Achieving this particular status is a fantastic thing. It is a commensable effort to reach this particular level. And even though the level is there, the contentment is not there, that happiness is not there, that laughter is not there. Why is this particular thing happening to each and every person? What actually comes to my mind is, it is what we actually feel inside. Okay, the efforts which we will put to achieve whatever we are looking at. Okay, now when you go to a movie, do you know whether that movie will be good movie or bad movie or okay movie? Any idea? No idea, no clue, right? Unless and until you watch the movie for 3 hours, you cannot criticize, yes or no? So now think about your life as a movie. Now we are the director, the writer, the producer, the actor of this particular movie, which we call as life. Now, if you are the director, you are the actor, you are the producer, what type of movie would you like to make? Would you like to make a sad story? Would you like to make a biography of a successful person? Or would you like to make a comedy movie where people can laugh at? Or you want to make it a horror movie? Think about this. It is up to us what type of movie we want to make or we are directing. Actors, though, everybody is a wonderful actor. But then, as a writer of your own movie, do we spread happiness? Do we laugh at small things? Do we enjoy what we are doing? Or even when there is an event, a laughter event, we will say, yeah, no, not so good, huh? Maza nahi aaya. Now, nobody, when somebody performs, it is nothing to do with whether I'm going to get an Oscar or not. But everybody would definitely would love to strike for an Oscar, right or not, when you are making a movie. But if you make a movie thinking that this is an Oscar award winning movie, मार नहीं पड़ती अपने को, because everyone has his own logic of living. But are we living? That is the question which I am putting across to you today. Are we living the way we would love to live, the way we would love to direct this particular movie of ours? Now there could be tragedy, yes, somebody expiring in our family, then there is definitely a tragedy. The crying will be there, the sorrow will be there, okay, but it is for that particular moment. It is for number of few days. After that, life still goes on. Now when life is going on, okay, what will be the next scene? How will you use this to your advantage? We have lot of expectation as far as the life is concerned, and then if something we are unable to, okay, we try to pass it on to our children's. And you may have heard about our parents telling us, अरे आपको ये करना चाहिए, देख मैं कितना आपको समझा रहा हूं, आप समझ नहीं रहे हो. Why they are pushing you is because they had not got that opportunity to do what they wanted to, and that is where it is a lack of something which is left out, and that is why they are trying to push you. Okay, why don't you study, why don't you become this, why you want to do this that, and after a certain time you said, boss, ye bakwas mere ko nahi sunna hai, I will do whatever I want. But for the first 10-15 years you were walking, holding his hand and doing whatever he was, helping you, guiding you, making you understand the way of life. And then we forgot about all that and we started to think, because we indirectly or directly became an individual with his own mind. Now, when we as an individual with our own mindset, why then the misery? Why then the misery? Why then the sorrow? Why are we not happy? Think, why is that we, as a director of the movie, as a writer, producer, are unable to make a fantastic movie of ourselves? Now, every movie has a start, in between, the emotions and everything going on, and at the end the climax also is there. And now think about ourselves, what type of movie you are going to direct, what type of movie you want to have in the climax. Tough it is, yes, of course, because what the pandemic has done for everyone, it gave each and every individual a time to think. But most of us are not ready to think. They are not ready to even change. Why? Because they are in that particular mode of blame game, which is happening. And then they only and only discuss about the bad which is happening during this particular pandemic. Now, how much are we wasting our time, our energy on the things wherein this is the right time to give yourself a different outlook? Because ये ऐसा मौका तो कभी जिंदगी में आया ही नहीं है. Never in your lifetime, okay, you were having to get a time to think. Think for yourself, think for how your movie can be panned out. What are the changes which are required in our dialogues, in our behavior, in our acting, what we are doing on a day-to-day life? So much can be changed if we want to change. But what we only do most of the time is we do a blame game. I did not get this. I did not have this privilege. मेरे पास तो सिर्फ इतना ही है. You know, how can I do this? Because I don't have this instrument and that instrument. But we never ever, okay, think whatever I am having is the best till now. Now, whatever the resources, can we not enhance our life with the resources which we are having? But we keep on crying for small thing. He did not call me up, so why should I? We keep on having the grudge. Usko मैं बता दूंगा who I am. And then we carry the baggage of hatred. we carry the baggage of fights. We carry the, the baggage of not using the right words. Okay, and then we always will have a, यार मेरे पास तो ये नहीं है, मेरे पास तो ये नहीं है, मेरे पास तो ये नहीं है. Instead of thriving on, let us change the scene, let me direct it to a new beginning. Interval ho gaya hai. So till now, okay, whatever we have lived, whatever life we have lived, okay, this is an interval which is going on. Now in the interval, you are having the popcorns, you are चिट चैटिंग कि अभी तक क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, अभी आगे क्या होगा उसके बारे में यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, राइट? मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आइसक्रीम खाते हैं, पॉपकॉर्न खाते हैं, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. एंड नाउ इज द टाइम टू सी आगे क्या होगा. नाउ व्हेन यू विल थिंक ऑन आगे क्या होगा, सो नाउ इट इज द टाइम टू चेंज अवर सेल्फ, टू चेंज what is the type of ending you would love to have. Now, if you want your end, which is inevitable, to be wonderful, peaceful, with joy, would you not love to change your scripts? Be more happy of whatever we have received till now, or change what is not required. What is not required is, the misery, the rona dhona, which is happening on a regular basis. जिसके पास है वो वापर भी नहीं सकता है, फिर भी रोना है. So it will depend on you what type of movie from now onwards you want. Excitement, goal oriented, full of josh, full of laughter, or miseries. 100% depend on us on how we would love to direct, write, produce, and act. The choice is yours. The choice of making a movie a blockbuster, a Oscar winning. Don't compare yourself with anybody else, except compare yourself with what you are. Now, if you compare yourself with someone else, then start comparing with people who are below you. Then you will see, oh my God, I am so at a different height altogether. But when you see someone up, you only need to inspire from the people who are at the top and not cry about things what is not there. So the interval is on. Corona, the pandemic has given you this interval to think. It has given you a way of changing your script, changing how you are going to look ahead, rather than having a thought process, oh my God, this has happened, this will, it is so bad, this, that. All that is fine. You have seen the movie Anand, right? जिंदगी कैसी है पहेली हाय, कभी हंसाए कभी रुलाए. तो Laughter and misery is going to be part and parcel. Yes, there'll be someone dear, near ones going away, but that is what life is all about. The cycle of the life will continue. Okay, it is up to us how we will look forward happily with a smile on the face and not having to think, oh my God, what next? Instead of that, think in this particular fashion, wow, what next? There is a difference. Am I not right? Wow, what next? And Bulla, oh my God, what is going to come next? So you are the director, you are the actor, and you are the writer. So what type of movie you want to end up working on? Think. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful day. Kunal, Nitin, Dr. Vardhan, Varun, love you all. Take care and think today what type of movie you are going to write, produce, or change after this particular interval. So, right now is the time to think, to change your script, and to become a better Oscar award winning ending. Love you all. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. Bye bye. This is Mayur Sampath signing off. Take care of yourself and your family. And laugh a little bit. Yes, this is going to be a wonderful day. See you tomorrow morning. Bye bye.